Hi, and welcome to Lesson 8 of our Virtual Code Club classes. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a new tool in Python where we will access a page called Trinket. It's an introduction to Python while allowing you to use pre-coded blocks to drop and drag your code into the scripted area. The difference is that you can click a button to view the code under those blocks. So I would encourage you to experiment looking at the code every time you use Trinket to become familiar with how to code in Python. Let's create a Trinket account. To do this, go to trinket.io/. Once you create your account, you'll click on your name at the top and you'll access the menu. Click on New Trinket, and from there you're going to select the section that says Blocks from the drop-down menu. On the left side, you'll see the white canvas similar to the script area in Scratch where you can drag and drop the blocks of code. And on the right side, you can run the code to test it, and you can also view the Python code that was used to run these blocks. In this section, you can name your project. I'm going to call it Project 1. Now over here on the left, you'll see a menu button with some options, and if you click on the 3 lines, you'll see your options for coding with blocks. We're going to go ahead and click on Turtle, and we'll start by using the shape turtle code. This decides what our icon will be. As you can see, it creates a turtle when I hit Run. You have a few other options for different types of shapes and icons. Now, to make our turtle say something, we're going to click on the code that says write blank and then font size 14. We're going to make the turtle say, "Hi there, what are you doing?" And we'll leave the font at 14. Now let's hit Run and see what happens. You can see that our turtle has said, "Hi there, how are you doing?" And your turtle will always overlap your first letter to some degree. Now to change the location of this code that we have made, we'll go back and select a code that says Go to Block, and we're going to change the location to -50 and +40. Now let's hit Run and notice what happens. The turtle drew a line. I didn't really want it to do that, so let's add a code to change that. Go back to the turtle code and choose Pen Up. And we're going to place this right under the turtle code. Now hit Run and notice that the line goes away. You can also play around with the speed and change the color of the turtle. We would need to add a speed block and place it before the Pen Up code. So choose speed and change that to the number 1. And we're going to place it right under the turtle code. And then after the Pen Up code, we're going to change the color. Let me move this around a little bit and make sure that Pen Up goes before the color code. Now let's test it. Now, once you run it and it runs correctly, make sure to view the code and take note of how this Python code is written. This will come in handy when coding in Python. Take some time and play around with the turtle code. Have it change colors and move in different directions with different dialogues. You can also maybe have 2 turtles talking to each other. For more Virtual Code Club videos, visit publiclibrary.cc/code.